If you are a photo booth rental business owner, this video is for you. If you're thinking of making a small investment and making a big return, this video is also for you. What's up, guys? My name is David Rodriguez. I have a photo booth rental business, and here is a realization I just came across a few months ago. So I started off with a 360 booth. That was crazy busy. I bought another 360 booth. Now I have a total of 360 booths, okay? And then I thought, well, this 360 booth, it requires a good amount of work because we have to be there physically to monitor and operate the 360 booth. So then I thought, why not start buying photo booths? Because with photo booths, we can just drop those off and go about our business. So that's exactly what I did. So I bought photo booths. Now I have both of those items, right? And so I'm thinking, what to do next? So when I bought the 360 booth, I also bought wedding coat sparks. I thought it would be unique. And then later on, I thought, wait a minute, why am I not renting out the wedding coat sparks as a standalone service? So then that's exactly what I did. So I was making a lot more money. I was making a lot more money because I would go, for example, out to a wedding with the wedding coat sparks, right? Set up. I'll be there for like close to 2 hours and then I'll be good to go. And I'll probably make over $400. So it all really depends where you reside and what the demand is like. Now, speaking of demand, guys, how do we escape the competition as photo booth business owners? So I thought about it. I was like, well, I already have a website, I have a client base, and I have a booking system in place for my rental business. So why not continue to scale and add more services? I reached out to my manufacturer overseas and I started telling them, hey guys, it would be a really good idea if you guys can start making products and offering specific products for our niche that we can use to scale our business so that we can escape some of the competition. Now, I say escape the competition because, as you guys know, some of the areas have become very, very, very competitive. And that, to me, my friend, is basically a flag that says switch it up. And that's what we need to do. We need to switch it up. We need to scale our business. We need to escape the competition by getting creative and strategic. So what do? We bring more items into our business so that we can have photo booth season, right? But we can also, let me show you an example, right? So this is basically one of the catalogs from my supplier. Realize this, I did not hire my supplier or manufacturer when I started my photo booth journey. And I think a lot of people appreciated that because a ton of people got started buying overseas, saving a ton of money from trusted, verified suppliers. So here's my supplier's catalog. This is one of them. As you can see, there is a variety of photo booths. My next photo booth is going to be a DSLR booth. Why? Because I want to start targeting weddings. Weddings have larger budgets, and using a DSLR camera, videos and photos come out 100 times better. That's just my opinion, guys. I've been in the industry for a little bit now, and I can really tell you that the DSLR takes quality to the next level because we are comparing a 12 megapixel camera from an iPad to a 24 plus megapixel camera, depending on what you are going to be using. And so I'm going to be getting a DSLR booth pretty soon. I'm also going to be giving out a photo booth for free this upcoming December here in 2023 to a lucky Patreon member, all right? I'm going to be giving out gifts every month. So I'm just looking at this here and I'm thinking, yeah, there's a cold sparks. Depending on where you live, you might want to check to see if the cold sparks in your state are going to need some type of licensing, right? So just wanted to throw that out there to raise awareness, okay, guys? And then they have a dry ice machine. How cool is that? If no one within your proximity, let's say 30, 40-mile proximity is offering the dry ice service business, then you, my friend, are in a unique situation because you can offer the dry ice machine. So that's going to be the low-lying fog for anniversaries, weddings, quinceañeras, and events like that, and make money. So this is what I mean by, guys, let's escape the competition by offering items our competitors don't have in their inventory. Another good one, especially during the summer, would be an inflatable water slide. So inflatable water slides would be kick-ass because that's another item that we can just set it and forget it and then circle back and have someone else pick it up. So that's another concept that I want to share with you guys is let's start buying items that we can just leave behind and let them make money for us and then we'll pick them up later. All right, so that's one of the catalogs from my supplier. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And here is another catalog. Another thing that I was thinking is What if one of us just specialized on backdrops so that when people are getting ready to plan a party or a major event, we are the provider within our local area that can provide a ton of different backdrops. And we already know how easy these tension backdrops are easy to set up. So I would probably consider, if I had like, I want to say more space and I had a big warehouse, I would probably stock up on some of these backdrops because we can rent them out from business to client, or we can rent these backdrops to existing photo booth rental businesses or just photo booth individuals or videographers. Another thing that I would be considering is C. I like C and D because I can put either an iPad photo booth right here or a DSLR facing the lights, so when folks take picture, it looks like they're in a music video. So I just wanted to share some ideas with you guys to get those creative juices flowing, because I really want to scale this business to bring at least $250,000 a year. So I guess I'm gradually converting it into a photo booth rental business to a party rental business, because I don't want to be stuck in seasons. I want to make sure I'm making money all year round. So if you guys find this video helpful, please like the video. And as far as my suppliers and manufacturers, I'm going to place them in the description box below. They are trusted. They are verified on Alibaba, and this is why I do business with them directly. One, because I save a ton of money buying directly from the manufacturer. And two, I've been doing business with them for almost 2 years, and their warranty is kick-ass. They stand behind their product. In fact, they are listed in our Facebook group, and I'm letting them promote their products on the Facebook group because I know them personally. So just wanted to share that with you guys to save you time on research and also get you thinking of, what do you want to add next to your photo booth rental business?